So you see in Jamaica now when you get deported and come back a yard, you know nobody around you. You know have nothing, you never build nothing on them thing there. Me I tell you, I no want easy road you go down, you know. You have your mother and them thing there. I check for you on certain thing. Don't make your mother here say you're Jamaica mad out and gone the wrong way. The man there London, the man there Brixton, the man there all over the place. All over the place, man there. If you even go request him passport, what you think happen? A straight back to Jamaica I'm reach, you know. A straight back to Jamaica I'm reach, me I tell the people for all the years when you spend over there. He can get caught up in some wrongdoings and overcome that. And I try to find himself on solid ground and go request a British passport. Greetings and welcome to my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. In today's video, we're going to talk about the deportation thing once again. Zane, not because the hurricane go on and everybody distracted, you know. The deportation thing still a go on. Over 2,500 Jamaican people are going to get deported in the next 2 years coming. So yeah, tell me say, as much people go foreign or put themselves in a problem on them thing there, where them more likely might get deported come back to Jamaica. Nah man. When they left Jamaica and see how Jamaica run already, you know. And we're gonna foreign and still I try to put myself in a problem. I wanna come from there. Wanna not from there, wanna come from Jamaica. Now the foreign affairs minister confirmed that 2,500 Jamaican will be deported over the next 2 years. Send out a statement say them I try to put everything on hold. So certain people now get sent back to Jamaica and their devastation after the Hurricane Melissa. So once everything start put back together and things start organized up and running again, yeah man, everybody will be on the list there. We don't know if you will watch this the on the list and if you go check out the thing, don't sit down and say you're good on them thing, the XYZ, ABC, you never know. You see? Because you have some people, you know, some real Jamaican who left Jamaica for years and got foreign. Never find themselves no problem. A young generation them mostly. And some people get caught up in a certain thing, the fast life, find themselves no problem, you know. Yeah man. And them find themselves no problem. Some people who left Jamaica work, them go work and help them family and set themselves over there. Them not have time to put themselves in a problem. We have others like the 2,500 of them were on the list to get deported, come back to Jamaica, we find themselves in a problem. Zane, could have been a ticket offense, it could have been shoplifting, it could have been the wrong place at the wrong time, wrong company. Because you don't know, you know. Jamaican famous and popular and people love the place, love we as Jamaican. But we love follow too much man, we love follow enough little thing out there, you know. We don't like wall up a culture and be ourselves. We love follow things too much and we get caught up in some wrongful thing. That's why enough of we know over there. We're there on the list. The 2,500 I will know. I'll get sent back on the yard by the hundreds. Not one time, you know, by the hundreds. Some people might escape it by the skin of them teeth. But enough people not gonna escape it. Is it? Yeah man, them will come right back to Jamaica, you know. Man, let me tell you a thing, man. You know a virgin was there in England. Cause deportation thing. I want depression thing, you know, stressful thing, you know. You see, cause if you have family and them thing, then they get deported, come back to Jamaica, serious thing. You know a virgin we get deported from England. Left Jamaica from about 11 years old. Got England, got school, everything, work, create family, everything. Mother over there and them thing, the whole family over there. Zane, and the man get caught up in some wrongful doings more than once and then overcome that and I try put himself on solid ground and go request him passport. Say he want get him British passport. And I did so everything went left for him. Went from right to left for the Virgin. So I him go request him passport. Where think happen? I straight back to Jamaica I'm reaching. I straight back to Jamaica I'm reach me I tell the people for all the years when spent over there. He get caught up in some wrongdoings and overcome that. And I try to find himself on solid ground and go request a British passport. This a man will grow in a system, go to school in a system, everything, work over there and everything, know the place like he back him on, and left Jamaica from him a toddler, Him don't know the system of Jamaica and he might see what I go on the TV and everything, but him not experience it for himself for all the years when him left and gone. So when he get deported as a big man, the whole place change up. Hard for him cope. I mean I tell him I get to know the Virgin over time. And the Virgin go through a rough time, a rough time. When me live to say a man where they are England when show me some pictures where the man a live life. You see me? The man they are London, the man they are Brixton, the man they all over the place. All over the place, man they. I mean I say, what hygiene? Yeah, live the life, man. You usually live the life, man. Where they are Jamaica now. Things and time change. You see it? And the man are there. I mean, see the man have to beg all people and them thing there. Sufferation reach him. Drugs and them thing, them man gone and me have to say, no brother, man, I tell me have to drive him up and say, no blood. Me hear about it and me have to draft him up and say, brother, what you do, man? Pull up your socks, man. Put yourself together, man. Let go them thing, the man. You see me, I say, go out there, go put yourself up and running and them little thing, the brother. Go seek work and get yourself up and running. I'm saying gonna miss one at a time, man. When him forward, he must show me saying getting credential, in bank account, him ID, him driver's license and them thing. And me I say, yeah, that are the first thing if you do. Get yourself up and running. And by 2 2s, me see him forward again. I work, me see him start work. And me if you look upon him and say, brother, you know, say enough deport him, see forward and come to Jamaica and turn. Papa, mad out. You see me? And me see you forward and you go through a little moment. You know what I mean? I go down the wrong part and man I tell you say don't do that youth. You have your mother and them thing there. I check for you and certain thing. Don't make your mother here say they're Jamaica and mad out and gone the wrong way. You see me? And man take in and do the right thing and come forward and show me say yo rare. Him have work, him get work. And I do him thing and me I say brother, I'm glad for you know say yo take the advice and do the right thing. The man get him work. You see me? More than one work me see him get and get himself legit and I move on and up and running right now. And me I say, brother, if you can do it, many others can do it. But you must have the support. You see me? Over time, he lose his mother in England. He couldn't even get for God funeral and them thing there. His daughter grew up, as me say, my family over there, Man creating family. Have him daughter over there. His daughter grew up, go through graduation, all these things, the man miss out on all of that. Because at Jamaica, I'm there now. Can't go back to England. You know what I mean? But he might find himself on solid ground at Jamaica because he have him credential and my work and them thing there. But it's not an easy road. You see? Because I have to give him strength. In the beginning, if you show him, say, yo, brother, at Jamaica this, and everybody are going to show you love and support. Or you must show me love and support and give him the strength and direct him on the right path. He will go do the right thing. You see? He can't forget the good way I man do for him. Because I have to make him know, say, oh, Jamaica this, a different kind of mentality. He cannot complain about certain things because England run different from Jamaica. You see me? A third world country come back in. A first world country go experience, but a third world country then and now, as what them say. You see it? So, it take a while in cope and him get over that. A years now him there at Jamaica, over a decade now him there at Jamaica. You know what I mean? I tell you, them man never really send nothing come out Jamaica or help nobody at Jamaica. So when you fall at Jamaica and depend on him own. I just through money I do some business. Why me get for no even know if this a Virginia. Kinda seek work from me and them thing there. You know see it? So you see in Jamaica now when you get deported and come back a yard and nobody around you. You know have nothing, you never build nothing on them thing there. Me I tell you, I no want easy road I go down, you know. Worse when you go waste out your time and get deported, come back a yard. And never there send back nothing come a yard or help nobody or nothing. And you get deported. You there on your own. Nobody nah look on you. A charity have a link on them thing there. And a joke thing. You see me? So all like people we have family relative out there America. Check on the status and make sure say on your background clean, on your background clean and them thing the people. Because over the next 2 years, in Jamaica, you will find yourself not hot over there. Like all the 31-year-old girl, we go fly go Florida, go unalive a next 23-year-old female over a man. She's a Jamaican native, you know. A Jamaica she come from, you know. And she gone America go live, you know. And she go unalive a next female over a man, you know. A prisoner send her sentence to life she get. You know what I mean? She not get deported. At that, me I tell you, cause I want serious crime she go commit. So my fellow Jamaicans, when you leave Jamaica, do not go America or England or Canada or put on yourself in a problem. Behave on yourself, humble on yourself, work and focus on one and focus on and love certain things. Learn off of other people's mistake and don't get deported back to Jamaica. My viewers and subscribers, like up the video, share it out so others can hear what I go on. Because over the next few years, anytime this hurricane thing run off, it's back to normal. Yeah? People are get deported by the hundreds come to Jamaica. No joke. Just like up the video, subscribe if you're new so you can get more update on the deportation thing what I go on. Zane, give thanks. Banging, big up on yourself.